Are you ready to take your passion for drones to the next level? Welcome to Drone Sturdy Customs HQ, where we empower enthusiasts like you to build and customize your own drones. Whether you are a beginner or looking to enhance your skills, we have something for everyone. However, in a world of constantly evolving technology, many feel overwhelmed by the complexities of drone building. Knowing where to start or how to troubleshoot common issues can be tough, but that's where we come in. At Drone Sturdy Customs HQ, we specialize in providing detailed guides, tutorials, and resources that make drone building accessible and enjoyable. Our community is passionate about sharing knowledge and helping each other succeed. We're excited to introduce our DIY drone building course, designed to take you from a complete novice to a confident drone builder. What can you expect from this comprehensive course? First, step-by-step instructions with clear, easy-to-follow videos that guide you through every stage of the building process. Second, hands-on projects that engage you and reinforce your learning while boosting your skills. Lastly, expert tips and tricks from experienced builders who share their insights to help you avoid common pitfalls. Imagine flying a drone you built yourself, equipped with custom features that suit your style and needs. That's not just a dream, it's a reality with our course. If you're ready to unleash your creativity and build your own drones, join us at Drone Sturdy Customs HQ. Our DIY drone building course is the perfect way to get started. Let's build something amazing together. Check out the link in the description to enroll in the course today.